Alright, so here we have my 2023 Subaru Ascent. Woke up today, came to do some things, found the rear passenger side tire completely out of air. So I'm gonna be working on getting the spare out and installing it to take it to the dealership this week and have this tire repaired. So it'll be my first time on this car, removing the spare and installing the tire on. So let's see how that goes. Didn't see any videos on YouTube on the 2023 Ascent doing this exchange, so I'll make a quick video. Alright, as you can see, we got the spare under the car. Okay, as you can see, the spare is under the car. So we will be moving our weather mats back to access our jack and all the other accessories that we will be needing. As you can see here, to lower our spare tire, extra tools that we have available with the car. Then I use this plastic remover here, removal tool, to not scratch anything. And go ahead and remove this rubber, and then we have access to that bolt. Then you have the tool here to use. Should be this way. And then we will start lowering our spare tire. This is on the 2023 Subaru Ascent. So this is how you lower your spare tire. Then it will start dropping it from here. You'll be able to remove it. It's an easy process. And I will show you guys the complete install. And we will be using this tool right now to start lowering it, our spare. Right there. Start twisting it down. See here, our spare tire is coming down. All right, here we are working on getting the spare tire down. Also wanted to show you guys where we install the jack, which is right here. It's a nice opening for you. Slot here. It's on right there. We will do that now. Got my drill ready. As you can see, trying to be as organized as possible. All right, so after removing my full-size tire, doing a little bit of inspecting, found my issue right here. It's probably not gonna be repairable. Good thing I have warranty on these tires. Most likely we'll need a new tire. So I'm gonna put the spare back on, well, the spare on, and yeah, wrap it up. All right, so here we have our spare on. Easy process. As you can see, now we just have to put everything back together, get this back up, just not leave it hanging. Don't forget about that. I'll be all done here.